Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Are you all
Good
fine?
morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As I said to you in Messenger at morning, today we are going to do some experimental verification. And one experimental verification we started yesterday also. So these are the questions related to 4 marks for your basic level examination. We are going according to it. Okay, so let's move forward. The question which we were doing yesterday was verify experimentally that each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. And it is clearly said that two figures of different measures are necessary. So we did some portion of it yesterday. We have drawn two figures, triangle ABC and triangle ABC. After that, how we have drawn these? Did you remember or forget?
So question and 6.
Okay, by taking, we can take any line segment at first. You BC जतिसुकै लिँदा पनि हुन्छ. Then we have to make two other sides also equal to it. जति BC छ त्यति नै अरु दुईटा साइड पनि हुनु पर्यो. AB and AC are also equal to AB. Then it will be equilateral triangle. Equilateral हुनको लागि तीनटै साइड इक्वल हुनु पर्यो. BC line segment जतिसुकै लेन्थ को लिए पनि हुन्छ. But other two sides, while drawing AB as well as AC, we have to take equal arc to BC. BC सँग इक्वल हुने आर्क लिएर यो माथि काटेको. Okay. Now after that we have to measure these angles, angle A, angle B, angle C in both figures. Then we get angle, this one is B. ABC means angle B. BCA means angle C. And BAC, it is angle A. All angles are 60 degree. Our result is angle ABC is equal to angle BCA is equal to angle BAC, which is equal to 60 degree. And now at last it is necessary to write the conclusion. This last part of this question is conclusion. First figure, table, and then conclusion. Let me remind you that these figures which we are drawing are for 1 mark.
1 marks.
Yes. And next one, this table is for 2 marks. Next. Now, what is the marks remaining here? 1 plus 2, it is 3.
Yes, sir. 1
This
marks.
conclusion is for 1 mark.
1 mark.
Don't forget to write conclusion. It is necessary part of experimental verification. Conclusion last में लेखेकै हुनुपर्छ.
So, sir, in drawing, we have to ABC and another triangle also ABC or A dash.
Both triangles must have same name. दुईटैको सेम नेम भएन भने यहाँ सेकेन्ड फिगरको लागि कसरी लेख्छौ त? या त फेरि अर्को टेबल बनाउनु पर्यो. A dash B dash C dash B dash C dash A dash B dash A dash C dash. Okay, so both figure must have the same name. जस्तो एउटामा XYZ भयो भने अर्को पनि के नै हुनु पर्यो? XYZ.
सर न त अर्को टेबल बनाएर पनि गर्दा अब.
अर्को टेबल बनाएर गर्दा हुन्छ. It's your choice. You can make similar table again in which figure number second and names A dash B dash C dash B dash C dash A dash अथवा XYZ. अर्को यो triangle ले जस्तो XYZ माने. If one triangle is ABC, yes, sound from someone's mic is coming. Anyone have any problem?
Yes, sir. Sir, अब यो यिनी दुईटैको साइज सेम छैन. साइज सेम हुन्न.
Look at question. What is said here? Two figures of different measures are necessary.
एउटा सानो एउटा ठुलो बनाउने हो सर.
फरक बनाउनु पर्यो दुईटै. Both must be different, not same. Clearly in question it is said that two figures of different measures are necessary. दुईटै figure को measurement फरक हुनु पर्यो.
They
Okay?
should be similar. They should be similar. Sir, size गर्दा नि हुन्छ.
I haven't heard your sound clearly. Please say again.
We have to draw similar figures, sir.
Similar figure. Process for both figure must be same. दुईटै figure draw गर्ने process same हुन्छ, तर size फरक बनाउनु पर्यो. यो BC जति थियो त्यति नै आर्क कम्पासमा लिएर हामीले AB बनाएको अनि AC बनाएको from B as well as from C. यो दोस्रो फिगरमा पनि आर्क इक्वल टु BC. BC सँग इक्वल आर्क हुने गरी माथि काट्यौं from B and from C also we have taken same arc. Then we get two equilateral triangles. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's move to next question. Question is verify experimentally that if two sides of triangle are equal, then angles opposite to them are also equal. Did you understand the meaning of this question?
Yes, sir.
If two sides of triangle are equal, that means it is isosceles triangle. Then angles opposite to them are also equal, means base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. We have to prove base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. Or this question may be asked to you as like this one. Verify experimentally that base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. So these both questions have same meaning. यो दुईटा मध्ये जुनसुकै सोधे पनि एउटै तरिकाले same proof we have to do. Same experiment we have to do. And now for this question. For previous question we did that we have drawn figure yesterday. But for this figure you have to draw figure now. Figure तिमीहरुले म सँगसँगै draw गर्ने हो. Then you will understand it properly. Okay? We will draw figure now for this. So question is verify experimentally that base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. Let me go to another window. अब यहाँबाट process हेर त यहाँ. You can understand it easily. First मा यो given भयो, यहाँ figure हामीले दुईटा draw गर्नु पर्यो. We have to draw two isosceles triangles. Then we will fill the table. So are you observing another screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Okay. Then let us take one line segment here. You can take line segment of any length. जतिसुकै लिए पनि हुन्छ. To make isosceles triangle, two sides must be equal. जस्तो एउटा side हामी जतिसुकै लियौं, यो पुरै लिए भने equilateral भयो. If we will take equal to it, it is equilateral, as we have drawn in first question. But now we have to take two arcs, but both must be equal from both ends. दुईटै endबाट दुईटै equal हुनु पर्यो. Take equal arc from another end also. Did you got it? What I did here?
Yes,
एउटा
sir.
कुनै arc लिए मैले without measuring, and I cut that upward from both ends. That means if I will draw the lines here, यहाँ लाइनहरु ड्रा गर्यो भने यो दुईटै लाइनहरु के भयो त इक्वल भयो, isn't it? लेफ्ट तिर ड्रा गरेको लाइन र राइट तिर ड्रा गरेको लाइनहरु इक्वल भयो नि. Because we have taken two equal arcs from both end. यो जुन सुरुमा ड्रा गरेको लाइन सेगमेन्ट थियो त्यसको दुईटै एन्डबाट हामीले ड्रा गरेको लाइन इक्वल छ. Let this is A and here is B and let this is point C. Okay. This figure is clear?
Yes, sir.
Which two sides are equal? AB and AC are equal here. यो दुईटा साइडहरु इक्वल भए. So similarly, we have to draw another figure also. Let me take one line segment here. You jasukai draw gare pani huncha. Now take your compass and get any arc and fix it. Cut it upward. Mathitira kata. Cut same arc from another end also. From this end also, we have to cut same arc. It is clear?
सर आर्क त्यसको लाइनको आधा हुनुपर्छ
Check it. के गर्यौ? आधा छ त?
पुरा लग्ने
Are you observing the compass?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
जति सुकै लिए पनि हुन्छ. You may take smaller than it or you may take greater than it. आधा भन्दा बढी हुनु पर्यो, अदरवाइज काटिदैन. यो लाइनको आधा भन्दा बढी हुनु पर्यो. आधा भन्दा कम भयो भने दुईटै आर्कहरु यताबाट र यताबाट लेफ्ट र राइटबाट काट्दा तिनीहरु माथि काटिदैन. दुईटै अलग-अलग आर्कहरु बन्छन्. So arc must be greater than half of this line segment, but you can take any arc as your choice. Now join this line segment. So we get another triangle also. Let its name be same as previous one. अघिको जस्तै नाम राख्नु पर्यो. B, or you can give the name yourself. So which sides are equal here? Here also AB as well as AC are equal to each other. And let us measure the base angles. Base angles भनेको दुईटा equal side को opposite भएका side angle-हरु. यो angle, here is the angle, and यसको opposite मा यहाँ एउटा angle छ. After drawing these two figures, let us measure the base angles. अब यो base angles लाई हेर त, angle B. What is its value? Can you observe in screen?
50 degree
50 degree. And measure another angle also, angle C. What is its value?
130.
No.
50 degree
We have to check from 0.
50.
यहाँको 0 बाट
50
माथि
degree.
जाने. It is also 50. Both. Angle B is 50. Count from 0. Similarly, angle C is also 50. Count from this 0. Similarly, go to another figure. Second figure. What is value of angle B?
65.
65 degree. Okay. Similarly, angle C,
65.
it is also
Same.
65
Same.
degree. So same thing we have to write in table. Let me take a screenshot of this one and I will paste it on our this window. This visible to you all?
yes sir
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So I am removing our unnecessary parts. Okay, these two figures are needed to us. Figures are visible.
yes, sir.
Maybe you are getting idea how to make it. Let me put first figure only. This is first figure. For second figure, I am taking duplicate of it. And I will take the next figure from here. This is second figure and this is a bit bigger. So I want to minimize it. So what are the values of angles which we get? You nap the angle B कति आएको थियो?
50 degree
It is 50 degree. Okay. And next one also, angle BCA is also BCA. This angle is also 50 degree.
50.
Similarly, for next figure, for
65.
second figure, what we get? Value of angle ABC.
65.
65.
65 degree आएको थियो 65 degree. So both angles we get 65 degree. Are you doing it at the same time or not doing? Yes,
Doing.
please. I said to take your pencil copies and other materials required and do with me. You figures कम से कम draw गरेर table fill up गर्न त जान्नु पर्यो नि. जान्नु पर्यो कि परेन? You need to do it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many of you are doing it? Let me see. So throw your camera. Copy मा camera लाई copy लाई यसरी अगाडिपट्टि राखेर देखाऊ. In front of the camera. Toran, are you doing it?
Yes, sir. I just done in that website only MathPad. My are talks my sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I draw that in mathpad.com. I
Draw
take the arc half of the line of length of line.
And that is still on your computer or erased?
Erase.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Others? Aryan, can you show your copy to me? Okay, good. Aryan did it. Okay, so just make habit of doing something. We completed this question number 2. Base angles of isosceles triangle are equal, and after completing the table, as I said in previous question, it is necessary to write the conclusion here. Base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. We have to write same thing as given in question. Question ma yanira base angles of isosceles triangle are equal bhanera yanira दिएको थियो नि. Same thing we have to write here. Base angles of isosceles triangle are equal.
Sir.
Yes, please.
सर क्वेसनले त्यो सोधेको मैले बुझेन सर. त्यो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल भनेको यस्तै ट्रायंगल हो जसको दुईटा साइड इक्वल हुन्छ भने त्यसलाई प्रुभ गर्नु पर्छ र.
आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल भनेको त्यस्तो ट्रायंगल हो जसको दुईटा साइडहरु इक्वल हुन्छ. दुईटा साइडहरु त हामीले इक्वल लियौ नि, isn't it? Side AB र side AC इक्वल लियौ. But we have to prove these two angles are equal. Angles po equal prove गर्यौ त यहाँ हामीले. Side equal prove गर्यौ त. We proved that this angle B, that means angle ABC, is equal to angle BCA.
सर अनि एंगल BAC इक्वल हुन्छ.
Which one? BAC?
Yes, sir.
No. Only sides opposite to angles opposite to equal side. AB कोसँग equal थियो? AB is equal to AC. Here in this figure, AB is equal to AC. That means angle opposite to AB is angle C. Angle opposite to AC is angle B. Angle B as well as angle C are equal. Angle B and angle C. Here is angle B and here is angle C. These two are equal to each other. Angle opposite to AB is angle C. Angle opposite to AC is angle B. These two angles are equal. They prove garnu parne ho.
Yes, sir.
So given thing is triangle is isosceles. We have to prove base angles are equal. Base angle equal huन्छन् भनेर prove गर्दै छौं. Okay, you have learned this fact in 7th class also. Base angles of isosceles triangle are equal भनेर त त्यहाँ पनि पढाएको थियौ. And up to that we did not prove that. त्यहाँ prove नगरिकन त्यतिकै पढाएको थियौ मात्रै. Now we are proving it ourselves.
Yes, sir.
So let's move to next question. Verify experimentally that sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. All of you know this fact. सबैले थाहा छ, but we haven't proved this up to now. Prove गरेका छैनौं. थाहा छ सबै तीनटा एड गरेर 180 हुन्छ भनेर we know it. So we are going to prove it. Or this question may be asked to us as like this one. Verify experimentally that sum of angles of triangle is 2 right angle. 2 right angle means 90 plus 90, that is 180 degree. So both questions have same meaning. Verify experimentally that sum of angle of triangle is 2 right angle or sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. So to verify it also, we have to draw a figure at first, that we'll draw now. And we have, after that we have to measure all angles. तीनटै एंगलहरु मेजर गर्नु पर्यो. And we have to add here. यहाँ यो तीनटै जति यहाँ मेजर गरेको छ यहाँनिर एड गर्नु पर्यो. एड गरिसकेपछि हामीले तीनटैको भ्यालु कति पाउँछौं त? We will get sum of all angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree, and our conclusion will be sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so let's move to the website construction tools. So let us draw any two triangles. Aba napnu parena, we don't have to do anything. You can draw two triangles with any measure in your copy. So all of you start doing it. This is one triangle and this one is another triangle. I am drawing here. I am giving the name ABC. You can give name XYZ or PQR, any name according to your choice. So both of triangle, I have the same name for both triangles, B and third C. We don't have to do lots of work here. Just use your scale and draw two triangles. Triangle ABC and another triangle also ABC. Did you got it?
Yes, sir.
So our work remaining now is we have to measure these all angles. तीनटे एंगलहरु नाप्नु पर्यो अब. Take protractor and measure the angles. Okay, can you say what is the value of this angle? कति डिग्री आयो? Yes, please.
65.
65 or 66?
66.
Okay, let us write here to remember. पछि चाहिन्छ हैन? Need these all angles afterward. So let us measure another angle, angle C also. Angle C. Check it. What is its value?
56.
56. So next angle is 56. And measure third one also. Angle A. Okay. What is its value?
60.
Yes.
59. 58.
58. So angle A is 58 degree. 58. Their sum is 180 or not? Check it.
Yes, sir, 180.
Yes, sir. 180.
66 plus 56 plus 58. It is 180 or not?
Yes, sir.
So let us fill the table. One angle is 66 degree. Sorry, angle BCA, I think it is 66. BAC, it is 58. And no, 56. Okay. Let me check again. Angle ABC, we get at first it is 66, isn't it? ABC 66 आएको. Angle BCA कति आयो? 56 and angle BAC it is 58. So add degrees here. Degrees to all. Okay. Now let's go to next figure. Second. Second figure. Take your protractor and measure these. Angle ABC. So what is the value of angle ABC?
$98.
Yes, it is again
84.
83 or 84?
83.
83. So first angle ABC is 83. Just remember it, or let me edit this previous one. First 83. Okay. Look at angle BCA now, or angle BAC. BAC line napo first one. BAC. What is its value? Check it
54.
first.
54.
54.
It is 54 degree. Okay. So second angle is 54. What will be third one? तेस्रो त आफै पनि निकाल्न सक्छौ नि 180 minus यो दुईटा गरेर. Isn't it?
Yes.
तेस्रो एंगल 180 बाट यो दुईटा माइनस गर्दिएपछि तेस्रो एंगल आउँछ. So check what will be third angle before measuring. नाप्नु भन्दा पहिला एकछिन find out गर त.
29.
It will be 29.
Yes, sir.
So let's check. 29 भयो त यो. 83, 54.
43.
Yes.
43.
It is 43.
43. Yes, sir.
So third angle is 43. Is there some 180? तिनीहरुको सम 180 हुन्छ कि हुँदैन?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
180 degree.
Okay. Then let me remove this one. Okay. And move to previous window. Angle ABC. It was 83. Angle BAC. It was 54. And
54.
angle BCA 43. Total sum in both cases is 180 degree. In both figures, in first figure and in second figure, if we'll get the sum, we will get 180 degree. It is clear to you all?
Yes, sir.